You don't speak Dutch? What kind of language do you speak?
Portuguese, English, and Spanish.
Portuguese, English and Spanish. I only speak English of those three.
Okay.
So where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Ah, from Brazil.
Yeah.
Oh, and what brings you here in Ljouwert?
So I was an exchange student in Franeker 6 years ago, and now I'm back just visiting. Yeah.
And what's so nice about this place?
Everything. I like the food, I like the people, the weather not that much, but yes, I like Friesland. Yes.
Brazil is of course a big country.
It is.
From where in Brazil do you come then?
From the south, it's called Santa Catarina, the state. Yeah.
Very nice set. How do you call it?
Santa Catarina.
Santa Catarina.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, goed zo.
Do you speak Dutch then?
Beetje. Yeah.
And what did you study then here in Franeker?
I went to like high school, HAVO 4.
And is it like an exchange program or something like that?
An exchange program, like cultural exchange. You go like to school just to make friends, but you don't have to follow it that much. I don't know how to explain.
Geweldig.